Okay, so going over January 2nd, which was a Friday. Um, so we were basically 50% win rate. Should have been 100%. However, things didn't play out perfectly. So, looking into this day, we are obviously bearish. I saw a price shift internally to bullish right here. Break up this higher low, the structure. And I was bullish here, as you can see here. I was in buys. However, this swing lower high has not been taken out. This, um, well, higher low essentially failed to take out this lower high. So structure has not been broken. This is a weak higher low, and price does not will not respect it when it comes back down. Or this is basically a target point. Or this too. So looking into the day, I was looking for buys as I was bullish as I saw this internal, but I didn't compare it to swing structure. Swing structure was bearish. Internal structure was bullish here. So um, we also see internal swift switch bullet bearish as well. We see a liquidity sweep here. Price instantly slams down, and New York open. What do we see? We see a lower high and a continuation down. I was entering off of this as I thought price would get tap back into this area and continue up. We see this area was just a fat candlestick, but we go here. This area was movement, um, where price had created liquidity. I'm pretty sure. Let me see. Yeah, yeah. But price had just made it just a big strong up, but price created liquidity here. I expect the price to tap this area, then continue pushing up. However, I was pro internal counter swing, so the model doesn't have a high probability of working out in that scenario. So I tried to get in for a buy here. Saw price tap into this area, strong push up. Price slaps all the way back down. I entered for another buy here off this um off this push up right here. Um, and price just slapped back down again, and then I finally entered for sell, saying that hey, price is in a downward trend. Like I saw a swing structure and it aligned, so I entered for a sell here. Stop loss above this retest of this zone where I slapped back down. I had two trades. One TP was here, another TP was here, but I exited out of this trade right here as price was retracing back, and it was um, pretty late in the day, around 3, and it's closing on Friday. So I exited that trade here. But yeah, that was it for today. Um, just one of the things I need to work on is just keep being aware of swing structure, because swing structure I'm always focused on internal, but swing I always have to take into account, and it's sometimes hard when you're focused on internal. You're not always scaling out, but the a minute or two spent just looking at structure as a whole before I even traded would have saved me from losing these two trades, because I would have saw, hey, price during London was not able to break this lower high. So if it wasn't able to, I'm not looking for buys here. Um, go here. Okay, we're not looking for buys at all. 9:30. Okay, we see price tap back into this area right here. It's 50% right here from this little zone that price pushed down. Um, I don't typically trade this way, but price tends to go to the 50%, then slam back down. But I would have probably entered off this break of structure right here. Price continues down, enter right there, stop loss right here, PP right here, easy trade. That would have been a great trade, great risk to reward, but you know, it's all about getting better each and every day. So yeah, that's basically it for today. Going to be back on Monday morning, I'm pretty sure. But yeah, so yeah.